Howdy everyone, this is Graham Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, we're at the Upper East Side, and I want to show off this because we're going to go into the model, but I want to show how really cool this is. So, this is a really nice feature of the Upper East Side. Now, not all of the village has this, but man, look, this is really, really cool. So, not every community has it, but the Upper East Side does. It's got its own kind of community here. It's got its own internet area, so it's a co-working area. Really, really pretty section here where you can, just chill. But it also has, a little bit of food here, so you can just grab some food, and grab that anytime. That's really cool. It's got another nice resident lounge here. It's a super, super pretty building, and then the area itself is super pretty. The Upper East Side is worth spending a little extra money. It also has its own private pool, by the way. So we're gonna go check that out. I just want you to see the private pool, but it's over here. Let's see, that is over here. So you've got a pool. We may step outside, but I did want you to see that. It's over there. So it's a really, really nice pool. Really pretty, and restrooms and stuff like that. So this is what it looks like over here with the Upper East Side. I've actually never seen this. Very, very cool.